How to redeem Doordash gift card online. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. To redeem your Doordash gift card, you can easily get access to the gift card or promo code online. For that, search for Coupon Follow on a browser. Coupon Follow will provide various of deals for Doordash and other brands as well. To search for Doordash promo code, tap on the search bar and search for Doordash. Select the option of Doordash given to you. You can also enter email address and tap on Get Alert to never miss out from any offers. From here, select any coupon that you want to, then tap on Copy or tap on Redeem at Doordash for instance. You can open up your Doordash application or head to Doordash web browser. Either way, you have to go ahead and purchase food items according to your preference. Once you are done ordering, head to checkout. Right here you will see the promo code option. Go ahead and tap on promo code and paste the promo code that we copied. If you have a gift card, select the option of Continue. Once you tap on Continue and head for your payment section, you will be able to add a gift card. Select the option of Add Gift Card. Then you have to enter the code, which will be at the back of the gift card. Once you enter the code, and if it's applicable, you will see substantial discount on your grand total. And that is how you can easily and successfully redeem your Doordash gift card. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.